Now, for the last few weeks, we've been covering the latest reactions to those leaked Supreme Court documents that signal a possible reversal of Roe v. Wade. Hundreds of activists rallied at the Arkansas state capitol yesterday, and dozens continued that today, all pushing for continued abortion rights. THV 11's Jay Jackson has the latest.
A second day of rallying for reproductive rights at the Arkansas state capitol.
I'm old enough to remember before Roe v. Wade.
Really, I shouldn't have any kind of perspective on it.
It was a horrifying thing for a young girl to think she was pregnant, and they did take terrible risks and end up almost killing themselves or killing themselves.
While dozens gathered today, yesterday thousands rallied nationwide, all arguing for abortion rights to be upheld on a national level. The ongoing protests follow the leak of a majority draft opinion from the Supreme Court earlier this month, signaling Roe v. Wade could now be overturned. That would lead abortion rights up to state decision. If so, Arkansas already has a trigger law in place.
So that way Arkansas can immediately ban abortions, and that will take effect immediately.
That ban would go into effect if the Supreme Court overturns Roe v. Wade and would criminalize abortion in Arkansas, except in the case of saving a mother's life. Over the past week, Central High School students walked out in protest of the possible law changes, as other young people continue to speak out.
If you don't want to have an abortion, just don't have one. Just don't have one. But don't take that safe option away from the people that need it.
Arkansas's bordering states have similar trigger laws, which means if Roe was overturned, abortion would be illegal across the region.
Put yourself in my shoes. What if your choice was taken away? What if you didn't believe what you did and you were just another individual that, had your rights taken? How would you feel? Or what would your argument be then?
As they plan to continue fighting for abortion rights here in Arkansas.
I have the ability to come here and defend it for people who can't.
In Little Rock, Jay Jackson, THV 11 News.
Thank you, Jade. Now, we don't have a specific date for when a decision could come out on Roe v. Wade's future, but political analysts say right now it could be as soon as next month.